Hi guys, hopefully you've already watched our how to make video for our fish and chips dish. This is completely vegan. It's genuinely a great fakeaway swap, whether you live a vegan lifestyle or not, but there's so much more to this dish aside from being fun to make and delicious to eat. Veganism has said to have quadrupled in popularity within the UK, with more and more people opting for a plant-based lifestyle each day. But is it really that easy to become vegan, and why should we bother? A few years ago, you'd have maybe struggled to get your head around veganism. You would have definitely struggled to find dishes to cook. But now information and products are so accessible. As to why you would want to go vegan, everyone has their reasons, from animal welfare to sustainability or even health concerns. An increasing number of us are choosing to find out more about the possible benefits of veganism. These are all available at your local Holland and Barrett stores and are actually a lot more affordable than you might think. So today, let's focus on 2 key ingredients and how you'll be able to use them. This dish is only doable because of the special Thai ingredient, banana blossom. Ever heard of it? Because I hadn't. It is low in calories, salts, and saturates. Harvested from the banana tree, this product has a soft, flaky texture, perfect for substituting fish in your recipes. This is another must-do swap that you can incorporate into any recipe. Profusion Himalayan Rose Pink Crystal Salt. No salt starts its life as table salt. It is derived from evaporating salt waters from oceans and seas, or being extracted from salt mines. Himalayan pink salt is great for mixing well with so many different foods, and the pink color is actually completely natural. It's due to the high iron content in the salt, so it's definitely one of the healthiest you can use at home. All of the products used today are vegan friendly and all have their individual perks for health and well-being. To find out more, read online or ask one of our qualified experts in your local store. There are so many advantages to living a vegan lifestyle, not just from an animal-loving standpoint, but from a health point of view too. Studies have shown not only can you maintain the right levels of protein and vitamins from a plant-based diet, your performance in the gym won't have to suffer. It has been proven that plant-based diets are extremely high in anti-inflammatories, which can help muscles recover and therefore improve performance. For more information on health benefits of leading a vegan lifestyle, ask a qualified expert in your local store. If you're yet to check out our how to make video for this recipe, follow the link below to find out more information of how to stay healthy with diet and well-being advice. And make sure to check out all of our other channels. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.